Y'all making too much noise in the BAM. Hey, all y'all out there in Carolina, y'all making too much noise in the BAM 486 getting up.
If you later, call me Beer Can 230. We'll see you. We move it on. 86. You blowing smoke on this North Carolina station. The old 7040. Call me JJ down here in the Carolinas. 486. You blowing smoke on my station there, Timbo.
Damn, all that JJ. You blowing smoke up here in my radio too. I appreciate you cleaning out my radio there, JJ. Got me up in the 30 dB. JJ, yo, 486, right back.
Hey, 486. I'm trying. 486, you have yourself a good evening and a better day tomorrow. They call me JJ in the Carolinas. 486, you take care, bro.
10 I'll do the same right there, Captain Digger. Appreciate the key down, no doubt about it, yo, 486, Big Bam, and I'm sitting back.
Hey, 486, Big Bam. 486, Big Bam. Say hey to 230 Beer Can in Carolinas. Hello.
Yeah, hello to you right there, 230. Hello to you right there, 230. Sounding off in my little junky station, 230, yo, 486, right back.
Hey, 486, you funny. 377 in the Carolinas, baby. Take care. We'll catch you later. 230, call me on that internet. He said, we'll see you. Bye-bye.
10 for them, Mr. Beer Can. Yo, 486 out here around Muscle Shoals, Alabama, just got down.
442 North Carolina's trying to wave a handbreaker.
Hey, right back at you there, 442. Right back at you there, 442, yo, 486. Said you sounded good up in my junk. 442, yo, 486, right back.
Hey, 486. Sounded like a local up here, 486. I guarantee you are. 442 just wanted to reach out there and wave. How about that 480? Unit 30 up there in West Virginia. All back down there. 440. Hello, 442.
Hello to you right there, Unit 30, Virginia. Unit 30, Virginia, 486, trying to get right back on your mail. Hey, 243, I had to look outside to see if he's in my cotton picking driveway. 243. Man, you busting through all that Haitian trash. 243, yo, 486, right back at ya.
Damn all that 486, man. Just say it, wave hand, and have a blessed evening out there for sure. Take care, God bless, and I'm out. 243, we're back on.
Roger, yo, 486, I'm back on the side.
486, you're too loud.
Hey, all we are is a mud duck right here in the BAM. We don't know how to get up, all we are is a mud duck here, 410.
No, you're not. You're too loud down here in Central North Carolina. Just too loud.
We just trying to do our thing, yeah, no doubt about it. Me and my old barefooted junk just got down. 10 for that teddy bear. Have yourself a good one out there in the khaki like it's your 486 Big Bam, and I just got down, and I'll see ya. 486. Yeah, she plugging my ears too there, man. Doggone it, all y'all coming up in my station like locals. We've been having some Mother Nature on our side past couple of days from them Carolinas. Y'all all sounding like my locals, yo, 486, right back.